How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can unblock a person from your Snapchat account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Get logged into your Snapchat account. Tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. At this page, tap on the settings icon on your top right. As you enter into the settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom, and under account actions, you will see blocked users. Tap open that option and you will see all the people that you have blocked until now. In order to unblock them, you can simply go ahead and tap on this wrong icon, and are you sure you want to unblock the Snapchatters? Tap onto yes. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.